All right, so here we have it. If you guys can see, you could adjust this thing here however you want, move it around to where the actual fence line doesn't show up. But these are elastic. If you guys can see, they're bungee cords that run all the way through in here. All right, it comes with an adjustable setting for any kind of mount that you have. This is the other one that goes through all the way through, so when you want to film your sports, it goes on any fence pretty much, even on poles. But you do have to stretch this out as much as you can, adjust as you want, and then you're able to capture baseball, softball, tennis, pretty much anything you want. And this is it right here, if you guys can see it. Looks pretty good. On this side, this is what you see on one angle. It also has a shade here, so it cover and you could actually see what you're filming. Forgot to mention it has a rail system here too, that you can move it left or right just to adjust it. It has two different slots for a GoPro and a regular iPhone or cell phone, or this is the actual Droid Ultra 21, the largest one they have.